Okay, today we're looking at the circle locus for complex numbers, and you know it's a circle when you see modulus z equals r and modulus z minus z1 equals r. The explanation for it is quite simple, really, because this just means that, just from definition of z minus z1, that's why it's utterly important that you know the definition of z minus z1. Z minus z1 is a vector from z1 to z, and the modulus says the length of the vector from z1 to z. So if you have z1 over here somewhere, then z is somewhere here. This is z1, and the length of the vector from z1 to z is such that its length is always going to be r, and that's why it's a circle. And the other circle is this one here. This is basically z minus 0 equals r. So it starts from the origin. So this, let's say, it's the length of the vector from O to Z, such that it's going to make a length of r. That's why that's a circle there. So, here's an example. You have to, the trick is to make this in Z minus Z1 form, because at the moment it's not. So then you have to do it like that. So that's your Z1. So in this case, your center is actually 3 minus 5. Oh, so this is how you do circles, by the way. I'll show you. So it's somewhat to scale. You're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a bit off. 3, 4, 5. So 3, negative 5 is there. And then this is how you do circle. You go 4 up, because the radius is 4. You go 4 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. You go 4 across, which is 3 there, and then 4 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just join the dots together like that, and you get a quite reasonable circle when you do that. You see? Now you're not allowed to take compasses into the exam anymore, so that's probably the best way to draw a circle that way. And that's 3, negative 5, and the radius of that is 4, by the way. All right, and that's the locus of that. Now another example, more basic one. Let's say z equals 2. That's so basic. It's not funny. So you just go, center is origin. You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 up, 2 down, 2 left, 2 right. Join the dots together, and voila. That again is not a bad circle, if I may say so. And so that's basically the locus of that. So circles are very straightforward. Now, the Cartesian equation, you know from 2 unit that the Cartesian equation is x squared plus y squared equals 2 squared, which is 4. And the Cartesian equation for this one, since you know the center, so that's why it's very important, you have to know what the center is, because that's our h and k. So the Cartesian equation for this circle is x minus, let me write under the h and the k. This is your h and this is your k. So it's x minus 3 all squared plus y minus 5, which is plus 5 squared, and equals to 2 squared, which is 4. And that's your Cartesian equation for your circle of the first example. And that's why I cut from there.